Done with the content SEO that has to distributing content and backlinking. Like I told you, this should be done after publishing the blog post. You need to get backlinks from websites with high domain and page authority because the higher the domain authority and page authority, the higher the ranking of the website. If you do that, it will help to skyrocket your ranking. So you need to make sure most of either the domain or page authority are high or they are higher than yours. So let's check for this medium. This is medium. You have to click on most bar to check. You can watch a video of how to download extensions on my YouTube channel. So this is it, 48. This is basically for my not basically for Medium. This is for my own account. Let's check that of Medium. It is good for the account. Let's check that of Medium. But it is good for the account. The account one is what matters a lot. So Medium is 90 something. No, it's 84 to 95. Let's check that on my blog. 3 domain authority page authority 20. So make sure you get links from website with high domain authority. Thank you for watching.